issued a test message for all Pennsylvania counties. At 11 a.m. on Wednesday, April 19th, 2023, this test message is being issued in coordination with the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency and your county and municipal emergency management agencies to support preparedness across the Commonwealth. This message may be used in any exercise activities for participating entities in their spring preparedness exercises. The public is encouraged to test their preparedness by confirming two methods of receiving severe weather information, such as this NOAA weather radio.